Hey everyone! Want to make sure your website is safe and free from malware? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Safe Browsing Check to scan your site for infections quickly and easily. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just curious, by the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your site secure and warning-free. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Google Safe Browsing Check, then click on the first result that appears. After clicking the first result, you'll be taken to the Google Safe Browsing Check page. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a box labeled Enter URL here. This is where you type in the website link you want to check. It's super simple, and in just a few seconds, you'll know if your site is safe or if there's something suspicious lurking behind the scenes. Next, type or paste the website link into the box and then hit Go. Google Safe Browsing will start scanning your site right away. This time, the website we entered is safe, so it's showing no unsafe content found. That means your site is clean and ready for visitors. Remember, whenever you want to check if your website has malware or not, Google Safe Browsing Check is the place to go. It's fast, easy, and gives you peace of mind that your website is secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech tip.